Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to create double-sided shader in Houdini. So let's move into Houdini. So first of all I am going to show you how to apply two-sided texture in a single shader, and for that here I set one scene. So I have this paper, I just duplicate that thing. So now let's move into this material palettes, and here I create one new shader, and first of all I call my texture. So for that I just press tab and write down texture, and here I call this front side, and I just duplicate this thing and I call back side. Okay, now to apply this both texture on sides of this surface, what am I going to do? I create one more node, that is two-sided, and here this front texture I apply in front input, and this back in back input. And now over here in surface I just open it and I just put my color input of two-sided to base color of my main shader. Okay, now I just apply this shader over here and I just go to render view. So as you see over here I got this two-sided texture properly, but there is some problem. This content looked like mirror image. So for that what you need to do, just make sure that that thing in your back, just select that input texture and go over here UV orientation, click over here and flip U, and now you see you get proper texture. So this is very easy way to apply two texture in a single shader. Now the second condition is that you want to apply both side some different shader. So what are you going to do? So for that I open one more example. So here I have one setup and I want to apply two material on both side. So for that what am I going to do? First of all I create that two shader. So I just copy, or I just use two shader over here, like metal grade and maybe copper. Okay, now I just open this VX builder and this is my two shader. I just click again two-sided. Now over here to apply material in this particular panel, you just need to select this layer and set it to front and select layer and set it to back. Now you do not need to create one more shader, you just apply this two-sided node or material directly on this thing, and now you see in render view and render it, and now you see over here you get different material on each side. So this is small tips who want to use two-sided shader or texture in Houdini. Hope you like this tutorial. See you soon with another. Thank you.